Right there, baby, to the floor. And we're taking on a lot of water here. This is a $150 eBay outboard motor. I'm gonna put it on my kayak, just for you. This ain't gonna work. Gotta find a better way to do it. Oh, it's already leaking gas. All right. Really? Just don't fit. If you've never seen these, you can buy these on Amazon and eBay for around $150. I got this one actually used. I found it on Marketplace for $100. So I got $100 into this bad boy. It's a 2-stroke C-can, whatever that even means. There is actually no forward and reverse. There is a throttle that you can just keep at high or low. Very interesting. On-off switch that does not default to on. It feels every bit Chinese made. And I don't think from starting it that there's any oil in here. So we're gonna have to put some oil in there. We're gonna take this little girl, mount it on the back of my fishing kayak, and maybe have some steering up here by the seat. I think that'd be cool. That's the big plan. And then we're gonna take this girl on the river and we're gonna see how fast we can go with a $100 Amazon eBay outboard. You gotta keep watching. See what happens. I think we're gonna make it out of wood. Metal's gonna add a lot of weight, and I don't really care if this lasts a long time. There's a maximum capacity, they say, of 350 pounds. Well, I'm pretty much 300 on my own, and I'm sure this thing's like 30 pounds, so that's just a rating though. Like maybe let's put some braces in here, maybe 2 down the side, and they'll all go back here to the big block in the back. Yeah. What a turd. Thing's leaking gas already. That's stripped. All right, well, you get what you pay for, I suppose. Do some test fitting? Of course not. Can you fit 3 inches? Chinese go. Oh. Yeah, 3 inches is the move. Thing's gonna be so fast. I don't know what 43 cc's of Chinese outboard gets you, but I bet you it's pretty quick. Really? It actually don't fit. What a piece of shit. I'm not saying this is the best way, but it is my way. Here we go. Oh, that worked way better than I thought. Flapper discs are from metal only, whatever. Please. Please just fit. Screws holding this bad boy in. Where's it gonna possibly? To the bottom of the river. Now, just gotta figure out where the seat goes. Figure out our dumb controls. I don't know. Seems pretty solid. Take a look at this ingenuity. We're gonna get this all the way up to there. Okay, we're back. We came up with some brilliant ideas here. So I disassembled the whole handle here. And we're gonna have the handle. The handle's gonna run out here. Go up there, it's gonna be for steering. Okay, my throttle on the other hand. Throttle on the other hand runs down here and runs through here. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Right, so this is mounted super securely right there. I'm gonna have a string that's gonna go up here. Okay, this I adjusted, this is gonna go out. I'll probably chop this off here, mount this here, and then I'm gonna put a bar across here with a little stick going up. And move the stick forward and backwards, and it's gonna pull this backwards and forwards, backwards, forwards, and that's gonna turn that. weld a bolt on here. Perfect. Okay. Oh. You're not getting to wash it in. We're pretty much good to go to the river, I think. Should make these for a living. I just gotta hook the throttle up to a piece of string and we're good to go. That's it. That's gonna be my throttle. Going down to here, conveniently held by this carabiner. I'm just kind of crushed so it can't leave. It goes up here, through there, and here's a loop. Wham, 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 wham. That's the plan. There we go. Now it'll for sure idle down if things go wrong. Look at that. So pull it. Wham, wham, wham. So forward to go left. Backwards to go right. Pretty important to remember. Got a lot of Honda dual pump fluid laying around. I'm gonna suck her out with this syringe, see if we can shove it in there. It's probably full. See if she starts. Which way's on, do you think? Let's go give her a whirl. This is way shallower than I thought it would be. Like I can see the whole loading ramp. Like that, and wheel it on its own. Stupid wheel. Why are we dripping gas? Whew. Almost lost the throttle. Woo. Oh, come on. What an interesting piece of garbage. Right there, baby, to the floor, and we're taking on a lot of water here. Yeah. I think it's well worth it. It's still turning. It's doing the things. My throttle's still connected. I'd say it's a success.